In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a board discussion on Monday.com. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so your team can start communicating right inside your board. First, open your Monday.com account and navigate to the board where you want the conversation to live. In this example, we're using a board called Trial Management from your Monday.com homepage. You can find it a few ways. Use the left sidebar to browse your workspaces and boards, or type the board name into the search bar at the top. When you see the right board in the list, click it to open. You'll know you're in the correct place when the board name appears at the top, and you can see its groups and items in the main table. Take a quick moment to confirm you have the right workspace and access. If you can view and edit items here, you're good to go. Now that you're on the board, look for the chat box to start your discussion. You'll typically find a speech bubble icon or a panel labeled Updates or Chat on the right side of the screen. Clicking it opens the discussion panel for this board. This is the central place for ongoing conversations where your team can post messages, share context, and keep decisions visible to everyone who has access to the board. Inside the chat panel, place your cursor in the message field at the bottom and type your kickoff note. Keep it clear and purposeful so teammates know why the discussion is starting. For example, you might summarize the topic, outline the decision you're trying to make, or link to the relevant items on the board for quick reference. To bring people into the conversation, use the @ symbol to mention teammates or teams. This ensures they get notified and can jump in quickly. If you have documents, screenshots, or brief videos that add clarity, attach them using the paperclip or upload button right in the chat panel. If you don't immediately see the chat box, try widening your browser window or clicking the arrow to expand the right side panel. Still not there? You may need the correct board permissions from an admin. Also, consider subscribing colleagues to the board so they receive updates automatically. A short, well-structured first message sets the tone and keeps future replies on track. That's it. Open your trial management board, click the chat box, and post your first message to get the conversation rolling. Thanks for watching, and happy collaborating on Monday.com.